In January, I told you that this year we can look forward to seeing some amazing one-off beauty boxes. Earlier, it was all about subscriptions, monthly beauty boxes. I said in January that this year will be the year of one-off beauty boxes, standalones, and that they will be amazing value for the money. And I have the first one for this year to show you. This is from LookFantastic. It is their Valentine's Day box. Why am I late with it? It is a PR sample sent to me for review, so I got it after Valentine's Day. The worth is more than £250. Thank you to LookFantastic for sending this to me. I was a LookFantastic Beauty Box subscriber from 2014 September, which is when the box began. So I was a loyal subscriber until mid-2019 when I unsubscribed for a mix of various reasons, including financial reasons. So I'm very excited about this box because first of all, it feels quite heavy. It's larger than your average LookFantastic beauty box. Right, hang on. Yeah, that's definitely larger. And I'm hoping that there won't be those regular product repeats. Omrovitsa, Queen of Hungary Mist, and so on in this box, or mane and tail conditioner and shampoo, or Lord and Berry products in here. Some of you had written in January on my Instagram via DM to ask me what I thought about this box. At the time, I paid attention, and then I forgot all about it until it turned up at my doorstep earlier this week. And oh my god, the packaging is very pretty. A pink envelope, very nice, very cute, very pretty. So this one is definitely larger than the regular monthly LookFantastic beauty box, which is sized like this. So yeah, this one's definitely larger. Oopsie. Right, I'm going to have to put all these things out of the way before I create a major accident here. So the content's entirely full-sized, and all I know is that the worth is more than £250. I have a vague idea that there's something from Pixi in there back when, I was checking out prices when some of you DM'd me, but, I didn't remember the rest. So I will have to pause in order to check out the worth of each of these products. All right, magnetic closure. This box is a keeper, and I will be using it for storage. Right, and inside, this is what it's like. There's a drawer. It's like that. So, attention to detail there. Very nice. So let's get the drawer out. And yes, there is a product card. LookFantastic. Oh, something has broken. There's some glitter. The story of my life. Oh well. LookFantastic's Valentine's collection. Fall in love all over again with the 6 full-size luxury products inside the LookFantastic Valentine's collection 2020. Right, I'll show you each product when we unbox it. Yes, there are hearts on the inside of that. This one will be used for storage. Right, so those are the contents. It's something has broken. Yes, the broken product first. You can see the absolute mess in there. I can probably write my name on that. Right, I'm going to go grab a tissue before I unbox this thing. Otherwise, there will be an almighty mess, and I am due to go out later today. So the first product, full-sized makeup. Pixi Hello Beautiful Face Palette. LA Angel is the variant that I've got. It's sealed, and there was bubble wrap, but it broke. Well, this thing is priced at £24 with 15 shades inside, 12 for the eyes and 3 for the face. This Pixi palette is perfect for creating an endless number of looks. Formulated with vitamin E to nourish and hydrate, each shade is buildable to add definition to the lids and a natural looking flush to the face. See, I like my natural neutral palettes and colours. So it's a huge pity that this one broke. That's what it looks like. Unfortunately, my previous Pixi eye palette, also a PR sample, broke. I think it's, the story of my life with PR palettes. No free palettes ever last with me. They break. Okay, only one has broken off. Only one pan has shattered, and that is a highlighter, and I couldn't care less. Everything else is intact. Things are for the best. Let me just roughly wipe the lot off. I think I'll need to grab another wipe because this one's kind of full. Right, give me a minute or two, people. I think Pixi eyeshadows have shatter very easily because, as I said, I got 2 Pixi palettes as PR samples last year. One shattered in transit. The other shattered soon afterwards. I think all I did was breathe in its general direction. But the quality of the eyeshadows I really like. They're soft, kind of remind me of Korean eyeshadows, very easily blendable. Just how I like my eyeshadows. Soft looks, neutral looks. But I think they're very soft and ergo they shatter very easily. But yes, that is in effect what the palette looks like. There needs to be a bit more cleanup, and a couple of those pans are a bit wet where I went in a bit enthusiastically with that wipe. Right, I'll just show you what the pigmentation is like. Nice, nice. Very happy there. Now a matte. Let's do a matte. I'm pleased with the pigmentation. Soft eyeshadows, the same formula that Pixi has always maintained. Very good. I'm very happy with this palette. It will, in all probability, go into my travel bag because there is a matte all over base for me, the neutral one. There is a matte black, which is exactly what I want in a palette. There is a bronzer, and there is what should be an all-over face powder, matte powder for me. There was a highlighter, but I couldn't give an arse about highlighters. And there are some nice neutrals with twists. So yeah, this goes into my travel bag in all probability. If anybody wants to see a review of this palette, let me know and I'll get one up. Right, 3 wipes of broken highlighter done. Out of the way. And the next product is also a makeup product. Benefit Cookie Highlighter. Please don't be broken inside. Worth £27. Is broken inside, but self-contained broken, more cracked than smashed up. So I will be pressing this together with rubbing alcohol, and that should be fine. Yeah, that's a lot easier to press together, and it hasn't created an almighty mess. So I will be putting that together again. Cookie was one of 2 highlighters, the second one being called Tickle, that Benefit came out with last year. They introduced these highlighters in their Cheek Leaders palette, and I bought one of the 2 Cheek Leaders palettes that came out last year. The first one was Pink Squad, which I didn't buy, my skin tone, obvious reasons. This one is the Bronze Squad Cheek Leaders palette, and the highlighter in here is indeed Cookie. Tickle is the paler highlighter, Cookie is the deeper highlighter. So my review of this entire palette, including the Cookie highlighter, including the demo, is on my channel. I will hit it up in the description box for you. At the time I told you that Cookie did not enhance my pitted acne scars or texture, which is why I'm very happy to get this one. Does not enhance pitted acne scars. I already have this highlighter. It's broken, but I will be putting it together again. The next thing is from eCooking. I am a gargantuan fan of the eCooking Acne Serum. Works amazingly effectively against acne. That was before I discovered that it contained wheat. And I didn't know why on earth my face felt very itchy after that. I've stopped using that serum because of the wheat content. But I miss that serum very much. Now, this is not that serum. It is the eCooking Eye Cream, full-sized at 30 ml, and is worth £49. More or less the same price as their acne serum. Hopefully it doesn't contain wheat. Let's see. Hydrolyzed rice protein, not wheat protein. Good result. I'm very happy about that. Soya protein, good. No wheat. This contains no wheat, and I'm very, very happy. You can never have too many eye creams, and my under eye area is as dry as a desert. Lack of sleep, staring at the computer all the time. So this delivers powerful hydration. Good, my dry under eye areas need all the hydration they can get to help tackle dark circles, also guilty here, fine lines and calm puffiness. Formulated with coconut oil, vitamin A and glycerin, its lightweight feel effortlessly sinks into skin to help support natural collagen production and reduce signs of aging. Sounds very good. And I like that this isn't too thick and is on the runnier side because I like layering my eye products. Eye serum, lightweight eye cream, and then maybe a hydrogel eye patch. That's my eye routine. So we'll definitely be using this. You can never have too many eye creams, particularly not when you have under eye skin as dry as mine. I know. product breakage here. So the next thing is from a brand that I really like, and apparently it's Meghan Markle's favorite brand as well for skincare. It is from Chapman. This is the Skin Assist Intense Hydrating Booster 30 mils, full-sized, and is worth £64. So this is a serum, lightweight, silky, and oil-free. Good, my oily skin hates oils. This Sarah Chapman serum will give your skin some much-needed TLC. With a blend of supercharged ingredients inside, your skin will look visibly plumper and glowing. The clever formula defends against bacteria and irritants and supports with dehydrated skin. That sounds like it's also going to fight acne. Let's see what those miracle ingredients are. High doses of hyaluronic acid and hydration and moisture magnets are formulated with biocilia and beta-glucan to help the skin's natural defenses. Visibly plumps the look of fine lines and crepiness, restores your dewy radiant glow, and gives moisture relief for stressed, parched, dehydrated, and thirsty skin. So it contains hyaluronic acid, light molecular weight, biocilia, biocolia or biocilia, I've no idea how to pronounce that, alistin P5, clarasan, equilibria IGLSP, phenohydrate P and rose extract, seawater, citric acid, chlorella vulgaris extract, gluconolactone. So that's what I can see. This can be used in the AM and the PM. So I think that this is a very hydrating but very oil-free. The ingredients list does not contain any kind of oil, not even hydrogenated castor oil. So those of us who break out, with air can breathe a sigh of relief. This product will not break anybody out. There are no oils in it. The next product, I know, large size, Color Wow Dream Filter Treatment 200 mils. Good. See, I like my hair products, particularly not shampoo, to come in very large sizes, 200 mils, 400 mils, because I have long hair, I have thick hair, paternal side of the family, thank you, thick hair, long hair, frizzy hair, maternal side of the family, no thank you, and it needs a lot of product, it absorbs, drinks up a lot of product, so I want a lot of product for my hair, and when people send you, 50 mils, that's barely enough for one use, so I'm glad that this is this size. This pre-shampoo treatment, good, is an industry first, designed to be sprayed onto hair, no need to mess about with masks and so on. Before washing, to remove metals and minerals that causes dullness. It begins to work in just 3 minutes and is suitable for all hair types and hair colors. My hair is not colored, virgin hair here. Use just once a week, your hair color will appear noticeably brighter and your hair less damaged. Good, I have damaged and dry hair from hell. And it's quite dull as well. This sort of thing would be ideal. So what you do is you spray all over dry hair, evenly, saturated, generously, and then wait for 3 minutes and then shampoo. That is painless. I don't have to faff about with masks and worry about getting product all over my chair and so on. And then, wear a shark cap on top and all that, and then dispose of said shark cap. No, messy. This one, not messy in the least. Good, we'll be happy to try this out. I think this is a very interesting product. And so far, I actually love everything in this box that I've seen. And you know how critical I am about beauty boxes. Not because this is a PR sample. There is no Omorovitsa Queen of Hungary Mist. There is no Nars Orgasm Blush. There is no Lordenberry. There is no Mane and Tail. I'm happy with this. Very, very happy indeed. There is no, most importantly, Eve Lom Cleanser. If there was an Eve Lom Cleanser, I'd have said all sorts of very interesting things about this box. There is nothing. Good. Excellent. Right, next product. Okay, that's actually the last product, and I'm quite unhappy about that because, it's over. Boo, I wanted more. Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator. 60 grams and is worth £64. Wow. I thought Huda Beauty had it all wrong when she launched a face scrub for £34. This one is £64. But I think Huda's is not 60 grams. This is 60 grams of product. I have used Dr. Brandt before, and it's a brand that I actually quite like. I feel that they don't get as much love as they should. But I haven't tried the scrub. I'm going to see how abrasive it is. And if it is on the abrasive side, it goes on as a body scrub. If it isn't abrasive at all, it will be used as a face scrub, as was intended. So what does Dr. Brandt say? Polish like a pro with this Dr. Brandt facial exfoliant, formulated with professional-grade crystals that penetrate skin to a deeper level, smoothing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and revealing radiant skin. Suitable for all skin types, but particularly great for aging skin, this exfoliant gets to work in just 2 minutes. Sealed. I'm going to open it because I'm almost out of body scrub. Let's see. Okay, that's not abrasive at all. It's just an ointment. Anyway, it's not abrasive. It will be going on my face. Good. So there are 6 products in here, all of which are full-sized, and 2 are makeup. One is an eyeshadow palette and the other is a highlighter. The brands included all is Benefit, Pixi, E-Cooking, Dr. Brandt, Sarah Chapman, all brands that I am a huge fan of. No repeat of product. No, I can't stress this enough. There is no Evelyn cleanser, there is no Morovitza Queen of Hungary mist, there is no NARS Orgasm blush, there is no Lord & Berry pencil, there is no mane and tail conditioner. There are no drugstore brands in here. I'm very, very happy with this. The one highlighter in here broke, no biggie. I couldn't give an arse about highlighters. This one is a highlighter that has also arrived cracked, but I can put that back together again. And it is actually one of the few highlighters that I like. I have used this highlighter before from the Cheek Leaders palette. Same cookie, and at the time cookie was exclusively included only in the Cheek Leaders palette. Later on, Benefit released standalone versions, boxer powders versions of this highlighter. And the skincare that's included, I can't wait to try out the Sarah Chapman serum. It's oil-free, wonderful. The eye cream, always welcome. Dry under eye areas here. And this is a very interesting product. I haven't actually come across something that you can spray all over your hair, wait for 3 minutes, and then shampoo the lot off. And then you have brighter and less damaged hair. That sounds very interesting, and my dry and damaged hair could do with that sort of thing. Can't wait to try out everything in here. I can and will be able to use and will use everything inside this box. Most importantly, as those who've been following my channel for a while, particularly around last year's Advent calendar season, will know the total cost of the individual products, the full-sized individual products, not half-assed samples, mind you. The total cost of the full-sized products that you will be using in a particular box should be more than what you pay for the box itself. So here we have £64, £64, £27, £49, £25 and £24, totaling to £253. The box, at the time of recording this video, unfortunately it's out of stock. £55 for subscribers. There's a code, Beauty Box subscribers, a discount code. So the total worth of the contents in this box definitely adds up to a lot more than what you pay for the box, which is a huge deal for me. And what I will be using definitely adds up to more than that, because I will be using everything in here. So well done, LookFantastic, on including A's brands, on including full-size products, on including products that I, for one, can use. And I'm sure that a lot of other people will love this box as well. And a lot of you have DM'd me on Instagram saying you will be ordering this. That was back when it launched, I think early February it was. And most importantly, well done, LookFantastic, for leaving out those product repeats that we see in every blasted Beauty Box Advent calendar gift with purchase curation out there in the world. The Omorovitzer, etc. So I'm glad that these are all new to me, new products, things to try out, things to play with, very interesting sounding products, some of them, interesting concepts, colors that everybody can use. So LookFantastic, as I said, has been killing it lately. New products, new curations, standalone boxes, really, really nice. The Chinese Lunar New Year box, very nice. Their Christmas stocking and Christmas treasure chest, I think it was called, very, very nice. That was sold out very quickly. I promoted it on this channel because, the contents were really, really good. In that Christmas treasure chest. Those are my thoughts on the LookFantastic Valentine's collection for 2020. Have you got this box? Will you be getting something like it if it comes out? Will you be getting one-off beauty boxes and one-off curations rather than subscription boxes? Or do you prefer subscription boxes? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.